kofa ho nsama de aba transfer window no enche bebuye na rumors ne na makwan mu no nyina ya de beba ne aye tetete ho window nyina bue kunkuru na fe dos no complete ni ade a no so be hu ye be yi ye betete ho na saa de ama Akuapem tama window ni bebue na fe dos na nso ya ye be confirm anya confirm ye be complete ni ya complete ye be reject so ya reject and so ye be wuram ni atete ho ama ye be fie but na Thursday and then ye sheda nsemre ewa mano in terms of discussion emom endra ni aye shase e we fie no ya wie Black Stars call up ni wo Black Princesses and so qualify for Wafu Zombie under 20 Girls Cup no grand finale and then say be don come up like in Faisa omo issue no and also na Alhaji Akambi board member Edema Glorious Accra Akropong atutu bia manin sam twerefo papa Alhaji Akambi say yan sam twerefo ne ka ho bi na Akropong kene ni o ma nkoyi enfem omo na ye be wura na ye de hon komo enso atumi ye de amawo mase asante kotoko supporters be after se kotoko bo 1-1 draw against Karala United na no ada ejuada wo baba nyara no supporters ni bi call for na na yamponsasa still now on to aso nya adwuma no mfem asante kotoko bo boko no na ye be de hon komo enso atumi ye de amawo ye no amani discussion ye nshada nche itu e bi keke na ye fro na ya be fie afi if you come on so to me about me dinner the pastoral paradise and of course the guy with the romantic voice on your radio me trem Ediama AK the boss player na ono so me pon button and can club ya sante and afi adwapoku e ho na amu na eta kire na ye de ensama horo no enso etumi de ba AK ka ho bie na ya tenase anopai ye de encommand de e ba bedan wom na DJ Zigibi and a social media no o take control and so her Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 our Facebook Samsung and a YouTube Okoman Radio 97.1 and also our YouTube unya do onkwa dia ba me papa udu onuma na wa like page no na fe wa share ama unya no so nya bi ahwe wa drop a comment no e de gu ase ye be gibre akenkan ni nyina enso atumi e de ama na onsan so atumi aka ye ensan adwumadi no enso atumi e ko e de efa udu YouTube no de oba subscribe page no kama na enso atumi aye kama e de ama adwumadi no DJ Zigibi Adaroma and the AK so support the free control room ho emrepom obewura ha na dwumadi no wasen ato aso e de free ha no enti ene obo ha no abo ha obo adwuma ni mi na wafu do so a udoni nyina okuyani ohwe ma no ba no ensei e wafu bakum enti udoni nyina enti ne obo ha no abo ha and afi DJ Donzin and so hwe fidie na miamia na furu mama bibia tumi konkanti ye wura ha na fe ye de amanonsam no e de aba na momeke anya wuram e wodam anti me ma na kwa aba na fe ye nkofa amanonsam no enso entumi mfembra ye ke good morning
senior good morning nyame adom bibia fine na se onso ye
oba de adom me so me hu ye pa
okay nsuo na agugua weda no sa ye ya ntino senior weda na ye na
anopensu de ba sa
na me fa akonya ntufo me mafo se neno dwumedie bia be ma wodi no na wape be isima ba ko na wadwunjun na wakwa se ma wo ye se usuru ma ntino
dwumedie bia wo Barima wodi no
yeah we per 1 minute bi na fa suru oba yes dwunjun na se we asna wona se usuru oba ntino wo ye bibia pe na wakai say abraba me boye say
mi suro
ba ntino fear women no dem ade abraba obo bia sisi no mutim sisi akura na amen kawo say aduma na wo ye ne awo ye bia no ka hu say usuro ba men suro jata men suro hwe
suro bia
na say ayi jata wo say Samson de kum jata na wan so ne wie Samson
abia so ne wie Samson
ntino na wo suro ba na afi maka say ne ade bedi odo de anka unya banku bia na yatwimeko hot pepper ne anya chenam kakra gu no na anka wada na isi no na wadi banku no say onso no watima men abonsuo na wa relax na wa dwen ho
na ubedi do no
ubedi do de fedi benku di on
right ayi we ye koma awarefo ni nyina
bi futuo na me de ma obibia man de me man de me de amom ba we both sides na de bedi odo de ohun abena ma say obedi
upe benku bi a nsu atoi
pe benku na
shibi watwimako
bi ape ochenam
bi atoso
na je say wadi na de adwen man ye hu say nsu atoi ukope odo de at end na beti wanu so nsu a asa waso ba hye kroma tetia bibire na Amanfo me ko di odo aba obeba na enuso na ode ba adan aba na atena koma adan abema na atena koma nti oyi fedi benku
we ye ka futu
na futu amede ma Amanfo
ye ka futu a wode ma
fedi benku
anope no okay na incha kase confirm Amadepa show no so
Amadepa yes
me am madam
yes wow madam me say me dey ni madam bi am chi an nti
me am madam ti o you have your pay nti Amadepa incha kase
enchi ano me hu na ache
mo
say obesra ya che na
o monitor show no to asomu a
me ko bi be ka say obi kan de na hu na ache o su chi a o de master ndi enye force enye na aba be ka ya na aba be ka mi chi Amadepa no
wasumo eti ijia kase nkoma small guy no sun chi nkoma no say no huye wo no huye
small girl no so ichi ano
wa me message say no huye but happy birthday and I get Edwin Simon Okraku Ghana Football Association president Ket Okraku and then birthday
okay
Zigma me picture no Facebook
young conference some yana name MCR
wow okay
and me and
Ket Edwin Simon Okraku ye be kwa aba na ma no anti Zig de atoso yes for the atoso happy birthday and confirm Ghana Football Association the president Ket Edwin Simon Okraku and your birthday happy birthday and confirm nyame ma onim de no koso a fire Ghana Football adwuma no nia ekoyie de ye bebo aba so ankoyie a ye beka na no so ya tene but so far de yara ye de nipa bia no na so wo ho but say ade adwuma ni bi wo ho a wo ya eye ebi so wo ho a ntwa yie nti o de happy birthday na your birthday nti ni ebe kan say nyame nhira happy birthday confirm am
na so ya me maame to ne adin afutuo ne adoko de maame ne ade brene adon metene nka the former president of the republic flight lieutenant General Rollins the baba Dr. Zenato Rollins and birthday doc Aminchia no pe na me wish you happy birthday sha suduku ono kole clote yes kole clote MP until ne no na pe ma me wish no happy birthday I'm sure na oya kese pa
and also ye royal listener ono onfa Okoman ndi agro baby oboko bi ode Okoman ye adwuma
yes
na ono no tumi de ne ka akora de be ye Okoman adwuma
yes
I say Okoman nti me ban ma ba ye adwuma no na Okoman de onfa mu ndi agro ofe Maxwell yes ofe Maxwell and ne birthday nti ofe happy birthday me namesake yeah ofe happy birthday and so en confirm am nyame enhira wo na onye okese akoma pa wo de ma Okoman radio no yenso ye wasa akoma pa ni be de ma wo yesre nyame enhira enso e de ma wo e wo ba bibiara wo bibiara wo ye no ofe Maxwell happy birthday enso enko enfema na wenso free DJ Donzi wo o say en confirm Yulani Janiwa Austin Oko school
Janu oba na me
Austin there
that's a man so two rows ntino Janiwa ntina me bi say no Don't you be me bi e bi so dey Anita ntino
Donzi say who tie dey ajuwa uchirum say obi ada so Barima say Yulani ni ankasa no kra no me hu di na Janiwa nzo ho
Austin dey member na
Janiwa
no
nti Janiwa no na ajo be chirim Janiwa
on tanchi amema on tan we mema happy birthday
okay also go school evergreen
akwada
Green Academy.
Maybe an if you're rubber.
Academy.
Maybe an if you're rubber.
Okay.
Don't see the need back to say.
Okay. Enti Austin Yulani anope DJ Donzi Okoman radio say happy birthday. Enti ye be wuram na fe ye de amane nsam no enso to me e de aba ye fa ha ba na ye de nsam no agu.
Seem to like them.
Taylor, what do you say? It's a really good ball. It's Shabalala. Goal, Bafana. Goal for South Africa. Goal for all Africa. Jambu Lila, rejoice. Kante.
Abusianti ye wuram na fe ye de nsam ahoro no e de atugwam enso tumi e de ma wo amanone anopei na wa husani a eno so etumi ate e doso nanso yakeka ni na bomu an ye se fata no ene ye de ba beda wen na anopei endra na wuram e wo U20 men's FIFA World Cup no round of 16 games ahoro enso ya de etumi e koso na ano dempa na odi wani echemu dia Brazil enso echi Tunisia enso no kanu enan e ma Tunisia etimu Bako, was a game across in the Colombia, and so Omaya Nidin at the Slovakia de Bueni, Slovakia Lusu, a game Nadima Colombia, Kenum, Emma Musa to me at back from England, and some Achi Italy, and then a boy, a year, now Italy, Ashe England, the first economy, Emma Musa to me at back when a game one one of the African brothers, Okoman, Yanino, Adomoso, in terms of a youth football, almost in Pempino, omu to me perform here pa Nigeria na fe Argentina na to me dey abuani na sa game no enso to me ba we no Argentina elusu ye e dey ma Nigeria e kanu mienu a omu so antumi antinti round of 16 games ahoro a endura to me to fam enso awo World Cup under 20 mm no enso fam no sa dwuma de dey kosom e Argentina kromo host nation Argentina on my frame enso ho dem say Nigeria no and so to me progress eurem e quarter final Samsung Brazil Colombia and afa Italy omuna no and so quarter final and so kwakoshe say niam betumi akonkan e di ama England Argentina Slovakia Tunisia omo so etumi afrimu am na no pay ye di sanchire mu no and so etumi di e ma wom e wo dwubede no we so na endra Europa League grand finale no and so ba so we Budapest and Bonten so na game no ano kwaye dempa na udu wani echemu dia e sha se no by say a first half ni mu anom 35th minute and Abrante ani dey and so the Mancini etumi enya bobi and Oloketi Paulo Dybala ono so e wo so ewura ye team box ni mu no na waka bo na to atena e de ama bobo kwa dey etumi edi AS Roma 35th minute no Roma etumi enya first goal and so we game no ye didimu akọ ye nimu a e ma ye ba ye second half no Yebabe uremo ema second half no ashase no 55th minute and Abrante and the day and so Mancini kro ya wa ya assist no Jesus Navas pull out to be at the bar 18 box name and Abrante no so ka ball in the two no ankasa na tin e dra o she one goal esa so ema assist entinas Abrante no on goal what take no etumi adima Sevilla bobo ko 55th minute ye didimu a second half ba wie ya obi a antumi anhye goals ni bi antumi anka ho ye wura mu 30 minutes extra time first half 15 second half 15 minutes and also no obi antumi anhye goal ni bi antumi afa nka ho na the referee shine na ben say ye wura mu na fe yenko she penalty shootout ni yenko bo na no na ye she penalty na se no Abrante ni dia de Lewis Campus onom ekogina bo na chi ni edikan ede ma Sevilla okabo no enso tumi ade to atenem sanso na Cristante ebe gina kire enso tumi ade ma bobo kwante ede AS Roma ono so eka ne de etumi to atenem Eric Lamela enso ba ye for Sevilla obeka de to atenem ede ma bobo kono na fe Mancini enso ba ye de ma Roma ono so be say no na Ivan Rakitic ono so ba ye obeka bo no to atenem ede ma Sevilla bobo kono Roger Abanes enso ba ye de ma Roma for the third kick no ono so be say bo no ede ma AS Roma bobo kono ansan Abrante wo chato Montiel ono so ba ye be bo fourth kick no eti Emma esu Roma wano enso pia ball no etumi eto atenam nti Roma etumi ebo 3 penalties ehye baako and afei ye Sevilla boboko no ebo 4 penalties emo mo so no etumi ehye 4 ni na ekwawie se 4-1 on penalty shootout no and boboko ndidi Sevilla edi nkunim to kan na boma ekwawie 2-1 enso ho no Sevilla and etumi ekran ni omo as DCS champions for Europa League no enso ho no to ba Facebook abeho Sevilla for no enso kita trophy na omo so etumi lift yedi komanim na emrepa meba bedi omo ho nkomo enso tumi de ama na mom yenkom rantie juba ko am she game na say edema afani ni emienu no uko Sevilla fama Yasin Bono ye goalkeeper one we that goal post name so and Jesus Nevers bad day Abrante did good daily and afei Abrante did Alex Teles omuna ye mranti anom we chire ho edema Sevilla boboko no Fernando and Avan Rakitic yeso egiran fifi one na afei o campus afei Abrante did Torres and a girl no so almost egiran mu no so chire mo matembo na ye El Nazari one also etumi LED lines no edema Sevilla boboko no Real Patricio na that goal post name edema Roma boboko no Tansu Mancini Smalling and afei Roger Abner no so eda echiro etumi edema Roma Slick Cristante and afei Matic and Spinazzola no so ewo ho na Pellegrini ejina omanimom LED lines no Paulo Ezequiel Dybala and afei Tommy Abraham so ne mrantie duba kwa chase etumi ade ma Sevilla boboko no mte Sevilla omatumi age trophy no amukọ omanim nemom mame Abrante ne de do campus in the picture no emra no bo penalty shootout no na oba behwe o campus emra no obo penalty na unlooking penalty and Abrante dey do campus enso tumi abo yem te bra Facebook na bra behwem Abrante dey do campus ono esi akan Edma Sevilla boboko no na emra wo ba bebo ball no na goalkeeper leye Real Patricio one also the goal post name and Abrante dey campus ejina ball na chi no say ene meshaw na obo on looking na goalkeeper no enso da benkum ball no dey ahye nifa ama ball no atena kasaye enso tumi ade ma boboko and dey Sevilla no first penalty Sevilla boboko no enso tumi abo ya omudi enkonim enso ho de man no pay no yete hom etumi edemanti on looking penalty and Abrante and the campus enso tumi abo ya Sevilla etumi edi enkonim enso ho de man coach say want to me stop it Jose Mourinho enso ewo European finals history and Mourinho etumi ya the previous no about 5 European competition finals and no wa winning 5 ni nyina nemom ni atoso 6 no na nka Jose Mourinho ehwe anyim sem nyoma betua kwanka na nka watumi awini ni atoso empensia nanso coach and this Jose Luis wono so entra over Facebook at picture nda hom wono so no ena ye coach watumi stop coach and then Jose Mourinho enso wa that record sa no pesa wa ye no enso ehun to Jose Luis wono aye nice man pa wono na bo adwuma etumi adima Sevilla boboko no ya start season no na no ba nkoye Enfema Sevilla na so coach no enso tumi abatutu nioma ma ene no ode omu wurem enso Europa League final ono tumi stop Jose Mourinho ne records na wo Chelsea for the 6th time wa wurem e European competition grand finale na wo shedim sanka obeje ne toso empensia no coach Jose Luis enso ne coach watumi stop Jose enso honam na Andra Yasin Bono enso tumi make it different no etumi adima Sevilla boboko 2 penalties no to me Sevilla nyatoso mienu no odene sate ye na kwapem goal post no na say ye anse goal post nemom one ni pa entro to me make it different so to me adema Sevilla boboko na do penalty shootout no na nipa dodo na wogidie sa Abrante we no obetumi aye saves no so to me adema boboko and the Sevilla na dodo na gidi esa Abrante de Yasin Bono Moroccan international no one na World Cup okwache ye adema Morocco odomo to so 4th and so what 2022 World Cup at Togo e wa kata no and that goal post name etumi adima Morocco man no andra one also to me make it different no etumi adima Morocco anope no yete wana say Sevilla boboko na anope yedi emunchemu no so etumi edi ema wana Jose Mourinho akasa dia fa referee de Anthony Taylor home Mourinho say Anthony Taylor o sho kwanya wa fa so officiating game no Omuni mu se sa na beba onu Jose Mourinho no tell anankasa no woni mu ne deda entenye no wan se otumi officiate games bi say na emom no eya mpempe no ohwe referee pa babia wadi ball edu na ohwe adwuma waye pa na se udi ball bi say ya mpempe na ya nyoma nkodie enso onti yenti Jose Mourinho ne nkoma wodi ye defa referee Anthony Taylor enso ehu.
Taylor, footage has emerged after the game of Mourinho directing a string of expletives towards the officials in the car park, labelling their performance a disgrace.
Siamo abituati a questo.
I need to defend my lads, and I must say that we are used to it, but still seeing this kind of refereeing in a European final is really, really hard.
È veramente dura.
Referee pa bola wudi dia enye eyenimugwase enom ayensama Jose Mourinho enso eka o se eyenimugwase pa edema referee no ohwe babia wadi bola edu na otumi officiate game bi say no eya mpempi no nyoma nsheda nkoyie na referee ni de wanya de kra Jose Mourinho wono so ne nkoma kakra enso no na ye kan referee Anthony Taylor enso awonsam na ndra 40 fouls and a referee to me a game nim 40 fouls. On my yellow cards ne makom I have 14. I saw na Udwane Chema Papa no easy 8 cards to AS Roma and no the most to one side and referee no so officiating game na all yellow cards to at the ama and I say one side one club cast to no AS Roma and Drano at the moment, and then I had to do a pa. I want to carry as a referee. I want to make a club will be a one more yellow cast and as a cast to do. And so I want a single game na 8 cast and then draw referee did Anthony Taylor to me at the AS Roma for out of 14 cast a PM no na semu 8 ekoye na oko Sevilla famua Avan Rakitic Ocampos Montiel Jordan and afe Emerick Lamela and Abrante did me omum ane mrantia omum so to me enya yellow cards no and so 26 and to me ekoye dima Sevilla for no na afe yanko AS Roma Pellegrini ye player on your yellow card Nimanda Matic a player on your yellow card Cristante a player on your yellow card Abrante did the Silic on your yellow card or a player Mancini on your yellow card afe Zelowski one also your yellow card and a Uramwa Papa ni di enso at the Kasdorf on also your yellow card na fe Jose Mourinho nankasa one also your yellow card and the Roma from South from Nandra 8 cars and I to me here and so to me at the moment I know I referee no won't come kakra and no one pay meeting where the man wana yanko Sevilla for no so Sevilla and to me Europa League no and draw Emma almost no awuram ewo eye almost 7th time to me European competition no and I say Europa League no na and draw no eye near Tosso and so Sevilla no mako grand finale and so our that side na almost show them say record no to me I say make it na panso eto akoso emomutumi agenia toso enson until 7 times Sevilla bobo kono akọ Europa League finals no 7 times ni na no omaje inti club bi enu a etumi ahyi omo enso etumi age sa trophy no etumi age afi omo nsem na say most European titles this century 21st century way clubs are ekita most European titles no me pacho tie ni yie pan fama me na obibisa wanya biaka clubs are ekita most titles our European competition this 21st century no enso eniem club otikan aya Sevilla 7 trophies ene ekita omom our Europe aya competition name Real Madrid etosumie no one so age 7 trophies enso Barca age 4 Chelsea age 4 Liverpool age 3 and afa Bayern Munich enso edu ono so sa enti Bayern so age 3 and Liverpool so age 3 Chelsea age 4 Barca age 4 Real Madrid age 7 and Sevilla age 7 enti clubs as so mabobra in the 21st century 21st century no clubs ekita trophies do and so European competitions mo no and then am there to anyman Sevilla, Real Madrid, omu na 7 trophies. Barca 4, Chelsea 4, Liverpool 3, and a Bayern Munich. And so the 3. And Tiano, Shasha, no Senatia, and a pain so me to home, to me at Diamam, Jume so, Ama one send yet here. Now, and dry upon game no. Jose Mourinho, Echo car park, Echo train referee and the dean, Eddie Anthony Taylor. So one in the bedroom come after the game. Mourinho ran more car park. I want no more go Pama stadium baby I park cars no. I go train referee Anthony Taylor na yentie kakra bra Facebook. Na bra be Jose enti Jose na nenam car park wa pocket him and I will kita ne phone. I train say referee Anthony Taylor. And so baba bra be okwa no akwa Amanfo je won shadow but still Jose Mourinho nanya bre say o train Anthony Taylor amra na won be hia no na one no so nkeka na adwen kakra enso ntumi afanche no wa wutie radio no ma me mount sound na kakra na who send yet memo bra Facebook na be feel bi Jose Mourinho emna wa waka park wo na wo twa Anthony Taylor within the space no enso a set ni ti so sa and wa pocket ekita no phone and okwa no akwa fifa cars ni na wo o twa say Anthony Taylor be pie na ba be dun come out tie sound on radio won so bra Facebook na bra be share send your matter.
Disgrace, man. It's a fucking disgrace, man. Ni Rossetti è stato capace di dire che non è. Ni tu sei stato capace. No. Fucking crooks, man. Fucking crooks. Non hanno tutta vergogna nella puta faccia. Complimenti alla devo dalla palla per poi. Congratulations, fucking
And this so what sound no and I take us be we chire Jose and all the disgrace and so we chire sa chire the and say referee no your no sub ye num guasesam and referee panipa with the ball say ye num guasesam antwa yi amfama no into ba Facebook video no etwagu ho no ba be Jose Mourinho no nam car park wo etwan referee Anthony Taylor ekikana join the chire no say ball with D and the Andra near man ko ye kra ne monte mono na ya dia e wo fam yanka Jose Mourinho won some mame man the records na kakra na in the year 2002-2003 Jose Mourinho wini UEFA Cup no etumi atima FC Porto Boboko no na sa game no na anoden pa watch Boboko did the Celtic no 3-2 and omutumi wini e wo ho and afa in the next finals okoye no. And so 2003-2004, the following season, Osan the FC Porto Uramu UEFA Champions League, and so grand finale. And also Kwachi Monaco, Eshan 3-0, and also a South Trophy, and so Jose Mourinho, ne records no, and no, na 2009-2010, UEFA Champions League grand finale. And also Boyan, to me a club at the name, to me at the Inter Milan at Bayern Munich, and so Shomu 2-0, and then so to me at GM at the Emma Inter Bokono 2016-2017 season, UEFA Europa League grand finale, or the Manchester United, Equasha Ayas Bokono 2-0, and then so to me Eshomo, and then so a GM at the Man United Bokono. Now 2021-2022 season, UEFA Europa Conference League no, and also the AS Roma, Euremum, Ekwache final, Eshan 1-0, and also a GM at the free final the four, and so when Semana Fade, in the year 2022-2023 no, or the AS Roma, some qualify for Europa League grand finale, and one and the club and the Sevilla, and so stop it now. Sevilla for and searching a winning game no through penalties. Emma almost up a J South Trophy no and they are going to Jose Mourinho. The 6 finals are welcome European competitions mono were winning 5 and we lose 1. The previous 5 games ni no or we need Entina and Dram and a tosun si and share say Nioma bet me a con kind of man so uncle ye and sent to me and farm and a pay no ye to and said to me the mam Jumedian so I won't send it here. Medical catch us Sevilla Bobo 7 times so makoni nano omaje nina and so hanuma and pay ye to where the amount my young woman and some work kakra and so yakoso afe yanko United States of America na awadom and Inter Miami bobokonom and so busy Abranten and so did David Beckham ni bobokono and Inter Miami ahono busy almost see a kind coach share to Newman I for novel one head coach to me at the boboko the Inter Miami na Inter Miami supporters neja they say Amashasi at the banners ahuro and so ko stadium and so calling for coach and they for novel say papa no uncle say 15 defeats and what me and 10 defeat in 15 games and what me we won 15 matches where we lose 5 and I said 10 our 15 matches now we lose 10. And so on the supporters they say for Navo Mantemanu of them and Tiabaya or no so na and no one so akasa kakram not to me their phone now what you dia or say supporters no catch omomran so and mom the boys no so the players no and no one makanom obia or ye juma edma no coach no and my supporters name kon so na omo suro na so omo suro no coach na omomran no so no emram be di agro ni omo penom omeke kan kire no omo be yi no every team them yente for Navo
football club for 2.5 years. I've been really lucky with the support that I've had from everybody, from top to bottom, and from in the stands. So that I feel really fortunate. And I would say to the supporters is that sounds a little bit bullish, but please just come for me. You know, support the team, support the young boys. The young boys are going to be the. You know, you think about the young boys on the pitch at the end giving everything. That's what this football club is going to be built around. Those young players, this academy is going to be the foundations of this football club. Don't kill one of our own. Don't knock one of our own. Just come for me. You know, if you're unhappy, hit the manager. Don't go for one of my boys. Don't go for one of my young kids because that hurts. That's personal.
Fernavo no and come for me. Hit the manager. Don't go for one of my boys. For novel, name come on supporters no pa amomra no so ono manager no ono mni ni nyasam nemom enya ni players no dey almost so enya hwe eno eya nsam ahoro a na say for novel wono eya manager hetumi ade emam bobo kwani enso ede Inter Miami no ode etugwa anopa yete won ede ema wo yebedi transfer window nkom so kakra na ya hwe sene a ene so ete ene games bi beba so na emom ma mema transfer window no kakra na ya fe yewura mo ewo matches ahoro eba so na major breaking stories no say na tia breaking news eba enso tumi ade free Manchester United after and Abranten did Messi Mount and so catching a banner there. Man United and Messi Mount no my personal terms. Messi Mount I agree personal terms with Manchester United. Sir Abranten on so bako no one see a kind of Man United Bobo 20 expectations say Messi Mount best sign and the Man United Bobo say hi. It's answer according to report no my personal terms are Abranten almost showed him say Obaba now for what in Sabah sign in Krata say now was sign contract edema Manchester United bobo kuna no enso yam command eba anope meeting ho ede ema wo yeka United and won some no 10 year and famam say Harry Maguire captain edema bobo kuna na coach and director man enso akasa o se say no omune Maguire no ono coach ni de wonya yanka o prefer say Abranten ni de Harry Maguire nka wantana na won sia kan fama Manchester United bobo kuna mom Abranten nso ehun ni say obenya match playing time enso with different clubs into Onyaya Obefree United team nim enso akọ na wakwa si akan e da ma club for Friday say Man U team no ya say omo say Abranten din Harry Maguire no office back ombe jeni mum amanakọ enne nyame adomu a ono so bekwa kwahia coach and dey Eric Ten Hag na for no so atumi adi nkomo ahwe say ne daach e team nim no etesen say obenya match playing time there and obekọ so si akan and the man you bobo kon onya dia and your brand new position obefree United team name etumi akwate say West Ham United bobo kono and omo enso gina esoro a omo so adim say Harry Mango a omo so betumi ababenya brand no no so ababesi akan etumi de ma bobo kono no eyen komo efri wo eti e ba de guso e man you team no akache Tottenham Hotspur brand and de Hurricane Manchester bobo kono enso so omo de offer ewuram e wo Tottenham bobo kono no makache Daniel Levy say Hurricane no munya no mo penti anka brante no jenimo no so mra mbesi aka mfama Man United bobo go na so ya say papa ni dem ade Daniel Levy enye na dwe da so obema Hurricane akwakosi akan edema Manchester United bobo go no ya say papa no onye na dwe enya dia obeji sade no so atumu ne aja atumu china say brante de Hurricane ebeko Manchester United no akwakosi akan so atumi edema bobo go na no eyen nkoma efri ode e ba no pen meeting ho ede e ma wo na coach and de rector han say ene se koba say abrante ni de Harry Mango a obefri Man U team na akode a center back one no nanka enyo mo priority say on be some player bia say ya player bia ni list no so mo kofa center defender bia to me the naba na waba be bo adwuma na mom o show them say other department no other places no one no betumi atuatu ntokro na wo ho no especially wo nanim ho obenya striker bia no modimo no enso wo soro nanka obegira ho etumi de Man U nti se koba se Mango akona de ekwan bedan tamu de a ene omhwe so mo kofa player bi no so ba be ho na etumi de Manchester bobo kono no eyen nsam na ba no penso yete ho etumi de ma wo na abrantende e Scott McTominay Man United for say obrante no omo be jara mana ko so fa ba o be mana ko say Newcastle bobo kono show interest kase pa e was Scott McTominay mu say abrante na mra edi how ye so Philip player no rough enti womra no be si akan Enfema bobo quality enso to me ede Newcastle bobo kono na BBC some trainer ni dey ede Simon Stone a reported yaba na Simon Stone say abrante ndi Neymar 90% a chance say Neymar ebe sane the Man United 90% out of 100% no 90% and 10% ne dey eno no bibi keke na Neymar 90% say obeji atum na wasan contract dem Manchester United bobo kono enti eno ye Simon Stone ono so no report no a ono ode abamti 30 million euros ana say Man U samayi omudi uram our PSG team na kache na makwakofa Neymar de about 30 million euros eno omudi uram na se koba se Neymar ba 350,000 euros a week salary United team no and so the Neymar no 350,000 euros and abrante na beje a week na aka beya se 30 aba eshu ano na abrante ndi Neymar na so waje atum abrante ndi yese PSG also on se aka wo hobiem club was open so wo free PSG obekono e Manchester United bobo kono ensuemo na ohuni se katafo ne betumi aba be ye adwuma e wo United team name eno Neymar ne dae so enti a wo se ode ewuram e wo Manchester team no ensuemu anope yetu ho enso tumi ade ama wo na what most valuable teams no anope mame fema top 10 teams am ye valuable e wo wiase afena nyina omo boye den omo wo sika na emu so ya kono wiase afena nyina no top 10 mame fema anope yi wasum na tie niye team a wato so 10 e ya Arsenal ne value no eye $2.26 billion $2.26 billion enti Arsenal no omo toso 10 Tottenham toso 9 omo de ne $2.8 billion Chelsea toso 8 $3.1 billion and a Chelsea omo value no enso etie Paris Saint-Germain toso 7 omo de no eye $4.21 billion and a PSG so da na club otoso 6 no eye Bayern Munich omo value eye $4.86 billion afa Man City toso 5 Manchester City omo toso 5 omo value no eye $4.99 billion most valuable teams world football no ni otoso 5 Manchester City and the value $4.99 billion Liverpool toso 4 omo de $5.29 billion $5.29 billion and a Liverpool amo value net here Barcelona toso miensa upon Barca sika yeso mu ni na no still amo ye valuable amo most valuable teams no Barca toso miensa $5.51 billion and a Barca team no and also more value. Manchester United toso mienu $6 billion $6 billion entina amo ton team no Ediama Sheikh Jassim $6 billion. Value no sanity $6 billion. And so on na sesia club ne boye din wiase afane nyina ne boye din a wo kwa koto na emu akono boye din no. And so Real Madrid ne dikan Real Madrid $6.07 billion and 0.7 egu echire and then de twa Manchester United team no. And apart from Real Madrid no club ne boy dembiem Man U if Man U na Barca then $5.51 billion and afa na ne boy den Real Madrid $6.07 billion. It's the top 10 most valuable teams world football no and no pay media to and no kotoko no has the Ghanaian clubs no bia boy ya den and so and pay no now Diego Dalot I standing a contract with Manchester United until June 2028. And Abrantenom Egusue Trem Adama you Bobokono now Wakoswe Siakai and said to me the Manchester United Bobokono till June 2028. Eric Ten Hag I say Mason Greenwood Manchester and for and so Amusha say make a decision on Mason Greenwood. And then some Ten Hag catch United club board no. So Amusha say make a decision on a Branton Day Eddie Mason Greenwood once a court no. And so to me declare no innocent ne dear or say Branton or be here the next season. And within 2 weeks a day, Mason Greenwood, Man United team no, ebe make a decision on a Branton and then you come about. Now Tony Cruz on so catching on Arsenal. And so share some of Branton and the Tony Cruz aba. No so aba be say kind of Arsenal Boboko no. Tony Cruz he has in a contract with a club and the day to me a day Real Madrid no ebe we ya answer. A Branton be free agent. Arsenal monitor I say almost able to me aka no so aba be see akan to me diama Bobo kwa the Arsenal and no nsama if Arsenal and Tony Cruz akache so to me eba now confirm no Yuri Telemas midfielder at the Leicester City Bobo kono Abrante na confirm say wo free Leicester the contract with Leicester no abawie or as a free agent enti ene Yuri Telemas one also no every Leicester City Bobo kono Bayern Munich and so say omanya brace Declan Rice about 100 million euros Abrante de kwa West Ham akache akwa fane de naba na say yes Thomas Tuchel Alfred Declan Rice wo phone so na akasa tio Thomas Tuchel Alfred Declan Rice wo phone so on na akasa I say yes Abrante mi hian wo Bayern team nim tibra enti phone so nkomo de coach no ani Abrante na akasa wie akasa Bayern team no enso no West Ham team no ebe wie 100 million euros sika Bayern Munich ede kwa West Ham akache akwa English international Declan Rice enso tumi aba no aba bebo adwuma nyame adom a summer transfer window yi players bi wo ho no ma June 30th omo contract with omo clubs ebe wie na no ya keka bo ma ama best 11 enso was a players omo contract no ebe wie no you assume 10 year best 11 of players omo clubs contract ebe wie on the 30th of June 2023 in the year. Goalkeeper ni David De Gea. The contract with Man U ebe in the June 30th. Afe Abrante din enso de Kagla Soyonku ewo Leicester no. One also the contract bebe wie. Sergio Ramos on the PSG be wie June 30th year. Chris Smalling ewo Roma on also be wie June 30th year. And the best 11 and the man no. Thomas Lemar, Atletico Madrid. One also can home. I can't go to Ghana. Ewa Manchester City. Yuri Telemans. My dick can catch your cross on the oko. Wilfred Zaha. And so I want Crystal Palace. Lionel Messi. And so Paris Saint-Germain. Karim Benzema. Real Madrid. And I feel Roberto Firmino. And the 11 players. Best 11 for players are omo contract with omo teams and also omo clubs ebe the June 30th no and I'm that two and him goalkeeper near David De Gea, defenders and midfielders and attackers no Kagla Soyonku, Sergio Ramos, Chris Smalling, Kovac now Thomas Lemar, Ike Gundogan, Yuri Tedimas, almost Uram in FIFA for Zahanom, Lionel Messi, Karim Benzema, Roberto Firmino squad we are not temper. Almost shall to me a show. Almost any players are almost say Uramuti, you bet Johnson near the sea and some neighbor brave woman on it. That be an Dawson, Nelson, Yatrasia, near Safata say at the banner, and at Yadibeba, now also send here TNT, Yadibesi, na Yafahaba, na Fe Yawuram, Edim Command Huronum, and said to me, Eddie Amawa Nemom, Yasebe Amakoma Hifie, watching live from Gospel Oak Barber Shop inside Amakom Kumase, better luck next time to AS Roma. Also, Yadasapa, na over Facebook. Or drop your comment no and so to me that all na ya jebra kenkan nyina and so to me the ama one pay e wo dwumedi nsunti ye ba bedi nkomo kakra e wo amanane na fei ekebe join me or join ya na di nkomo no na ya wuram na afei eno so no ya ba ba hwe efie nsam no kakra amanane bedi kan aka say na ye nche e wo say nya time no e de ma local stores na enti ye nche bebre e wo amanane e discussion na afei ya ba fie na yababedi enkomo okay
all right solo anope me yinchia Okoman radio t for nam yinchia almost all live on Facebook almost share no yinchia mommy's joint abnama anope me chia na papa na yinchia sister Anita ono ba yago anope me unsinsu na gugunti no yago ase wa boto kakra but anope me chia munyira solo another na a very historic in the history of European football. The UEFA Europa League grand finale it may also our year Budapest. Not just a Sevilla Bobo Kono from Spain and I think so a AS Roma from Italy and it to me a ball and knee now ahead of that game no. Now Europa League, this season, beside me, one of the most competitive tournaments and competitions. But Europa. Now the Europa League, one of the most competitive and tough competitions. Looking at the clubs, now participate in the Europa League this season. You know the likes of FC Barcelona. Manchester United, Juventus, Sevilla themselves, then a couple of tough clubs are Europe, it mean Eboremu, Bobby. But Ninyan came for them about ABC said these two clubs, it may be or the grand finale, that's the Sevilla and I think Roma team. No, I know that now game no cause looking at the lineup, it may cause so. Roma na goalkeeper Didi Rui Patricio as usual on another post to Musanson Abrantia Mancini Chris Smalling Roger Ibanez and so it me kojina infinfi Spinazzola Matic Abrantia Cristante and Afinson Selic up front was Abrantia needing Eddie Pellegrini Tammy Abraham and Afinson Paulo Bruno Ezekiel Dybala. These were the lineup Jose Mourinho and so it me parody Erico Gibnimo. On the side of Sevilla, Unya goalkeeper Yasin Bono on at their post to Sansan defenders was a good old day and also the captain of the night. I had my Seville Bobo Kono, Jesus Navas, and so it me Ejnemu. Abrante Nidi had a bad day. Sanson Abrante good edge. It me Bobina Finsoro, led back and former Manchester United player Abrante Nidi and so Alex Telles. In the midfield was Abrantian and so Eddie Fernando, a lot of experience. If you are Abrantian, I was Samson Ivan Rakitic, and so Ejinamubi. Abrantian and so Lucas Ocampos, on himself, Okopimo PSG, and for Abrantian returning to a Seville team now, and also by Abrantian and so no Eddie Oliver Torres, yes, on also start here. Samson Brian Gill, and I think so Abrantian and so El Neseri. When a lineup Seville team no and so parody and so looking at the lineup afeni mienu apari especially the Seville team no eno ana metia culture se Seville beji cup na ombe yusu experience now they beat Roma. Not saying say Mourinho any experience, but the players on the field of play no now about Europa finals no it tells you na a chance say Seville team no with the kind of players omukura no our experience. Jesus Navas a bro be pm Seville na Seville ni Europa League. The first time Omoji and he was part of the team. And a number of times that Seville Ageno Jesus Navas part of the side Omoji sa trophy see. It's the experience na them. Oh, Ivan Rakitic has always been part of Seville team no. Most of Nekaria Munya, most of part of Nekaria no I've been with Sevilla. It's also no experience what the trophy will be that about grand finale ni be now Abrantes and him and so Lucas Ocampos, another experienced player. Fernando, which Fernando the days with Man City. Now okura experience no there be Roma Sevilla buy no on boy okura no wabobe 3 seasons and so to me area my Sevilla so far boom this season can one there's about 4 seasons to me area my Sevilla team no so Abrantes Kudech another experienced defender on also was spending a year about a year 3 seasons and so no our year Sevilla and also another experience and so they also another it was experienced Seville team playing the Europa League final with unexperienced Roma but with an experienced coach Jose Mourinho. Another make culture say Roma bo mo ba be nyina no adia omo bem na mo my favorite in the final Amanfo kaso betuma je the coach anomukura Jose Mourinho. Previously na wabo finals mako 5 ni nyina no waje Champions League, European Cup, Europa League ni be with Manchester United, the Champions League with FC Porto, and last season winning the Conference League with Roma, this same Roma. Nitina say Mourinho experience wise no okura. But yeah Liza, Osha Roma set up no. Matic could experience. Pellegrini could experience. But playing the Europa League finals no. Matic Abubi da there. But the likes of Tammy Abraham, Paulo Dybala, Cristante, Abrantes and Nidim Mancini mono. No Munisa experience more than this Sevilla side. Over the years, you know, so now it was going to be a very difficult game for Roma. It was an early incursion and Roma making Paulo Dybala between the opening goal at the moment. And as I was watching the game, I was telling people around that Sevilla Beji another winning game it will come from their bench. It's also a game now. Substitutions are course solo. Just at the end of the first half, I ever started second half. No, and a coach and he Jose Luis and make a substitution. Just started second half now. Abrantes and he added Abrantes Brian Gill, another experienced player from Tottenham by experience in each other anyway. And as Abrantes Oliver Torres, another unexperienced player. Other Unifimo, another Eric Lamela. Lamela has seen a lot when it comes to European football. The days at Tottenham, about the Champions League final. European boy, Wabobia, it's the experience now. Abrantes and so do Susu. The experience of Susu at the back, and I said the addition of Susu at the back, Sevilla team. No, Ocean days as Liverpool and Koye, every people AC Milan now Omeki a good performance with AC Milan, but injury. And a hand no be pure Sevilla. And about Sevilla and so no, I'm solo ni more more any body. There's an injury na a hand kaka was spending 4 seasons. Our heading Sevilla. It tells you so also an integral player. Our Sevilla team and will play an integral role. Our Sevilla team. It's in the Yadine Bermuno. Also be making changes. And which pressure never that Roma see at the right side of Sevilla and also the left side of Roma. They had Ocampos on the right side, Suso Becao and Jesus Navas. And so the experience so the left side of Romano were facing 3 solid players of Sevilla: Lucas Ocampos, Suso, and also Gabriel Abrantes and Jesus Navas. Navas have made the crosses. Suso ewuram create chances. Ocampos more crosses supply the ma so the pressure was on the left side of Roma. So I was surprised not Jose Mourinho who said also just substitution. I just
started game second half now.
I was on that side. That side. It was in the first half now tell us operating from Roma right. Yeah. But in the second half no already so buy no.
So Lamela no
Campos and Navas. So it was almost like 4 players of Sevilla operating from the left hand side of Roma. Naman Chili break come no kodi yellow card. Nyame amfefi ankodi oyedi red card. Spinazzola and now so power on the left side. Is I was surprised that Mourinho be substitution be wow oyi Paulo Dybala film which I was surprised.
Start changing the minimum.
I was surprised oyi Paulo Dybala. If you because
no any player no to make it tabo no anymore.
It was so early 68 minutes and you were not on buy no one other man I'm play any role ya. And
I'm because that Paulo Dybala changing I'm prefer say Abraham Monfrim.
Yes. Abraham there not game on the mukeke. But Obiaka say he was a role and a coach and so assigning no. Don't remember Ode Jana Horma, send a bear M Sevilla for him pushy baby M. See, Abraham, he brought in another striker, like for like substitution Andre Bellotti. But the ball taken off as early as the 68 minutes, you know. And it can't because not creativity no side about form. Because Gigi Ronaldo man player, more that creative, you know. And he was even coming from injury, not the injury situation, you know. Oh, because Gigi Ronaldo man in Roma about the matches be on my bono. Gigi Ronaldo and Shadan contribute here. I don't remember the last time about 90 minutes. And man, Roma side. The last time on about number of minutes, you know, about 66 minutes. That was against Salernitana in the Italian Scudetto to remove. So I don't know by one may make any addition to Roma side, you know. But I would say solo Yambo Sevilla Basso. We need this trophy for the 7th time. Obviously, say they are the Real Madrid in the Europa League. Oma dominate, omu control. They are saying say ampa a ban in Europa. Yes, someone could do final. So at times they don't prefer playing the Champions League because someone said omu bokra no go in the round of 16 here they can ofima on to me on Kobebia. It's about Champions League be from group stages crowd. It's about Kobo Europa and Sevilla be making incursions and will make sure say they dominate the Europa League and also win it. And say it was a tough game. 90 minutes extra time 120 minutes now a draw. Krobia can say extra time looking at how Jose Mourinho open up in a game. I best sit back now defending. So it was going to be a difficult game. I'm not extra time penalties, you know. For me, it was anybody's game, but I can't say any penalty. So no Bono.
Yeah, some Bono.
I science and data. Young fan say it's a penalty, and yes, sir. Wabase no. A science and data. Goalkeeper not them no. Or title no kwa hard do. Inti fatwa player we obeboy otai boko hard do into to kwa it's only sad data of that particular player now feeding farmer goalkeeper e be the penalties from be kire when na Ghana and Africa no ya wo kire ye no obehwe AFCON the last AFCON boy the Egypt and Senegal AFCON we also this Egyptian goalkeeper and Senegalese goalkeeper omo nyina what the information on the players e ba be bo penalties no. It told him, "Say, told me, I look at Yasin Bono in a World Cup against Spain. Or Sevilla about 3 penalties. Oh, so I give him and a couple of saves in the World Cup. It's all final. He was so relaxed and comfortable.
Penalties now.
No, why relaxed?
Yes.
I know Sevilla 2 penalties and rather out of you can say 4.
3 penalties now, Roma boy.
Roma boy, Sevilla 2. Out of it. It tells you something about the modern more and so on also and Yamba Sevilla about so my idea. Let's imagine their 7th European trophy and so but no many for Champions League. Now also no to me just say Marino
qualify for Champions League.
Yes, I qualify for the Champions League, and I know that people are talking of the controversies. You see, or give them more say penalty by referee, and Farmer Roma there. But we should also know that a part of the game. The VAR now it deny on the penalty be by coach Anthony, referee Anthony Taylor Sevilla, but VAR could review as a penalty. So VAR now so I can't say Roma penalty and penalty. You know, we shall understand the game and how it's.
Also, shame so pa your petty boss be Anthony Taylor. Ne calling na. So
that's what I'm saying. It's a part of the game.
Yeah.
To me game matches and games because referee only 100 even the VAR no kwa at times the decisions be take you and perfect. Referee no ono hu baby but a VAR a video assistant referee yes own review some of the decisions they be a referees and they taking omo kan to me enya correctly. So at times I am part of your referee but that particular incident that people are saying say penalty for me, me who say a penalty because not inside that natural position while extending inside away from the body. So at times when we are watching matches, you have emotions and we should also know the laws and the rules of the game. All right,
NTA Kenonom Ewa Manone na Yambo Fian Sam no so na fi yembedin komono emfa ma na no ada eye Bobo Kwandin ade Tachima 11 Wonders ene bofo akwa tano anso ebo playoff ewo zone 1 na ni na no se yepe one team obeba na wabeka ho na fe o ma qualify be wuram ewo Ghana Premier League next season na ebe wie no tano bofo akwa ene tumi edi enkonim penalty shootout ene omo so edi win here etumi enya sa promotion no after the game supporters etumi edema bofo akwa tano no and as tano bofo akwa boboko no almost kasa kakra de fa sa qualification 16 years amoko relegation and after 16 years no omaba almost ba be see akan wa champion supporters naturally enija omani age won
amekase mani age pa efise ba wi ase ba Ghana mani nge sada what is it mani nge sada na mzeni amia kuse o ma ebiti ya de ko sunyani
eno aye supporters almost every sunyane ebaye na ombe support Bobo Kwandin de bofo akwata no eno omo chire hu se omani atumi age pa victory a omo sa atumi kan ye na de bia ya de atumi kon kan ye enso etumi ye de ma omo nti omo da nyame asese omo nsa akasa victory no enso ewo ho no na odu wani chire mu so endra ewo Kumasi Babanyara Sports Stadium a one na Wafu Zombie under 20 Girls Cup no enso ekoso na semi-final matches na ba so endra first semi-final game no na Ghana versus Burkina Faso and I say Burkina Faso versus Ghana. Burkina Faso di kanya first goal na so Ghana from a goal down no ebete kano 3-1 against Burkina Faso. I'm no ka say the Oman Ghana enso etumi ebuki omo ticket Omewuram na omokwa akwahwe abom Muhammadin enso ewo dwumadie no enso asenti eno ene na efiri ede eba say Ghana qualify enso ekọ grand finale sanso ena ababa wande ne Stella nyame che 13th minute onya go no success ameya 28th minute ono so nya go in the Ghana na Pfizer Seidu 83rd minute no ono so ewi and 3-1 and Ghana share Burkina Faso a omo so entumi mu ba ko ho nti Ghana ekọ na ho na Nigeria so echi Benin enso wini ye nti sa game no highlight no over Facebook obenya kakra enso afilia Nigeria enso echi Benin wini ye enso wo Benin for no enso as say fans na set Black Princesses of Ghana, the Black Princesses of Ghana. And I'm also Ekwakweshia Nigeria. It was the grand finale of Wafu Zombie Women's Under 20 Kappa. ekoso ewo Kumasi nti Ghana ene Nigeria ene eko finals nyame adoma Saturday ena sa game no enso betumi abaso anope no yedi emu nchirem enso etumi ede yema na won seniam enso koko wieye enso ewo ho no mti say Ghana booking a ticket akokopiem ewo grand finale a Saturday ena sa game no enso ebetumi abaso kai national enso entumi emfa emayem enso ewo ho no manope na oduwani chemu ensem foforo mu a the Black Stars of Ghana almost guso ya hunsiesie Black Stars team no next week and almost be wuram na omo campaign no almost atumi e da hyehyɛ sunti and also ye ne efiri etumi e de eba Black Stars enso akache nia efiri de eba anopay ye to we de ema wona still yanko women's football no enso emo na onim say omo FA Cup no edu semi-finals women's FA Cup no edu semi-finals na say net Saturday 10th June ena yebebo sa matches no na fe Sunday so 11 June ba kon so beba so police ladies ebe share prepare ladies na eno ye Saturday ena sa game na beba so police versus prepare ladies na army ladies enso share ampem da kwa ladies 3 p.m. ena sa games ni na beba so ewa Barima Astro Tef Kumasi enti kaina shenensum enon eye women's FA Cup no enhyehyeye eda ho enso etumi ede ema anopai yeto enso etumi ede ema wona coach Yusuf Bazigi wonom ana ye head coach enso etumi ede ema the Black Princesses of Ghana coach akasa akakra after say game no enso etumi aba na wie na princesses enso etumi edi enkonim over 151 omonso ewo eye Burkina Faso no eya coach Yusuf Bazigi e kire se na ni atumi age ewo sa game a eto ogwa no enso ye ho obone mabawa no abaso ohwe okodenden omukon ye omukon okodenden pa na omutumi si fam enso etumi from a goal down no omutumi abeteka no enya victory nti obone mabawa no enso etumi abaso na ababawa ni den e de afi eye amenyeku ono enso ye player etumi the Black Princess of Ghana or your goalkeeper one so ekasa ye ebo ne other colleagues no enso abaso se nkunimdie no etumi akọ ede amam princesses over Omaya ni de Burkina Faso amoma qualify ekọ grand finale tese omo kwa akohia Nigeria eho no nso omo hwenim se ombeyiro mo unse Ghana omo target no ene se trophy no mbeje na omo beye host and win in the say omo qualify akopie mu of finals no omo hwenim se nyoma betumi akonkan enso tumi de mo na host and win no ene so tumi abaso yie enso tumi de mo nti goalkeeper edema the Black Princesses of Ghana afi amenyaku ono so akasa as players no obo abaso omo akokotenten omo qualify ewura mu ne de omo hwenim so monsa enso betumi aka victory no na trophy no ma winning edema Ghana sanso na coach Yusuf Bazigi ono so aka voice ne ready a ye de mu nchemu ni no ede beba na wa hunsa ne tie coach ne so akasa etumi ede afa san hyehye no enso ho abone maba no enso abaso ewo okodenten a omo so etumi akonye enso emu a anopai ne de sa eho enkomo no enso etumi ede mount the Black Princesses of Ghana ewuram ewo grand finale edema ongoing wafu zombie women's under 20 kappa ekoso ewo Kumasi no enso endra emaba eje pini ye hyase edema Ghana no ye hwe coach ne voice no ready a producer de ba ye be pia de amount na line up ne edema Ghana ni ye afi amenyaku ne da goal post ne edema Ghana comfort ye boa Fatimata eye Fuseni Rose Boachiwa afe Sara Kuribri ono susi akai ababa ni de Wasima Muhammad Helen Alo Menu ono susi akan Success Amiya and afe Stella Nyameche wono and the captain edema the Black Princesses Faiza Sedu and afe Mafia Nyame omone emaba duba kwa ndra omo so eje penie etumi ehye game na se ede ema the Black Princesses of Ghana yenkotie coach Yusuf Bazigi one ni goalkeeper afi amenyaku omo after the game in summer omo di tugwa.
This is a new team I'm building, and putting them together, in fact, will not just be a 9-day wonder. We need to have patience and then prepare the team to be a winsome team. because I'm looking at the constructions of their ball, transition from defense, midfield, and then attack. But it looks like the finishing is now the problem. So it means that is the only area I have to work, even though I have some few lapses at the defense, which I need to augment very well. I think that that is one of the reasons why, because these are new players who have not even, many of them have not even played internationally before. So it's a matter of time. Everything will be fine. The Burkina Faso team, they have future because they have a peculiar tactical play, which is very, very uncommon to many clubs or many teams. In fact, you could see that tactically they are very disciplined, except that today, after having studied them very well, we need to split their defense and midfield. Otherwise, from the day one match, day one, day two, you could see that they play a certain pattern, which was very good. So I think if they keep it up, they have a future. Because Burkina is one of the countries that have been there before. I played in Racine, Jibobo-Julasso, so I know their style of play. And anyway, I've beaten my second home team, so no problem. We are not putting pressure on the girls. And then every match and is tactical ploy. We've seen the Nigerians play, and we know how they play. They have also seen us play, so we are going to also map up our strategy, just in as much as they are also, because they were also here to watch us. So we are all going to map up our strategies, but you shouldn't see the way they play, because if you look at the group stages, our group is very tough. So there's no wonder, even though you are not seeing us scoring many goals, and then, but all the same, you will see that we create a lot of scoring chances. So let's see how it goes against Nigeria. Oh, for sure, that is why we are here, and we've got into finals.
Yes, before coming to this game, I already made up my mind that no matter what the case is, we must win today's match, either in regulation or in penalty shootout. So that's what motivated me. And being like, as a goalkeeper, you have to be composed and have the confidence that no matter the mistake that you commit, you have to calm yourself down and organize yourself. If not, you commit a lot of mistakes.
Enti enom coach Yusuf Bazigi and the goalkeeper nkoma omudi two go after say game no etumi eba na wie ye enti say Ghana kwehia Nigeria e wo finals ye de besi na ya ba bedi nkomo enso we fie na ya hwe sane yete na emom ne di kan no ye baba na Kinfesa abusia Kinfesa amu issue Kinfesa for issue pa Kinfesa for the protest at the Okoman Ghana Football Association for say Bobo Kwa Nidin at the Tamale Cities. I used to unqualified player at the above game. And the Ghana Football Association for share the enemy ye. Na Amunka somebody be and from Kinfesa. According to Kinfesa for no, almost say a blanty and the Isaac Mensah. One player Tamale Cities AUC na adewe zigo we know anti ochana ye be wura me de be ma na de to Facebook no so na me nya ne ntama kam de to so pa na really no say about say discipline committee of Ghana Football Association for ato e de achene ba bi almost Kinfesa any case omo appeal for nsese discipline committee de ba no almost say we Ghana Football Association appeal for no enso akache omo appeal omo twen ruling na mom Kinfesa for no omo case ni nie omo say the player and the Jire Kojo Ninsi oye player ne member ID number GHA eno ye Ghana no 125561M na player no also ni date of birth 21st June 2003 ni date of birth or registered them as Super Rainbow FC 2nd February 2021 adequacy 9th November 2021 and then the first registration as a player Abranta did the Nigeria Kojoninsi member ID number GHA 1255661M date of birth 21st June 2003 or registered in Super Rainbow FC on the 2nd of February 2021 equally 9th November 2021 afei player Nigeria Kojoninsi a transfer called Tamale Cities on the 9th of August 2021 and transfer no called Tamale Cities for and so akache na oko register ya no all register no ni registration no player no ya reject the registration at the Tamale Cities amna ya transfer no call that year no Tamale Cities then registered a player on the 9th of November 2021 which is 2021 on the 9th of November same player now Super Rainbow for a transfer no call Tamale City a your friend no Nigeria Kojoninsi no sa player na Tamale City e register no na according to Kimfensa afọ no say Abranta no register no 31st of July 2022 and that registration no Tamale Cities unregistered Nigeria Kojoninsi and the membership number GHA 1255661M the year 2022-2023 season MOTA per records and pictures player Isaac Mensah and yes Tamale Cities for a register no on the membership ID number GHA 048853M I know the first registration our club now say 28th of May 2015 and I that registration no and Nigeria Kojoninsi the number no na makache o say GHA 1255661M no and also the first registration in the FIFA Connect system no also 2nd February 2021 and Isaac Mensah Tamale Cities registered no the first registration our system name 28th May 2015 I know na edoso pa Super Rainbow for you say amu change date of birth no edi free 2nd February 2021 to Abranta Ndidi Nigeria Kojoninsi no change the date of birth and I'm transfer no edi no ma Tamale Cities ene yam command ba akon na club and de Kimfensa I'm say another one no that at the time the match was played Tamale City FC had not registered Jerry Kojoninsi as a player of the club for the season. That at the time the match was played, Jerry Kojoninsi was not a registered player of any football club in Ghana. Into ruling now, this in the buy no. Na ure mua edoso ochina ya be ure more. It is a Kimfensa for say our appeal but ruling in my almost hwe ni ma wiki se beba. Na ni everybody ban say AK Kimfensa for some the injunction but to leg no so. And only asama to say Kimfensa for edeba.
Well, solo maybe me penchire mu kitu ebi o. Jire Kojoninsi no
club
ben obo sesia
the club bi enu a e kire sa Abranta no bo according to in some no Super Rainbow for no e register as a player no
no
to ma Tamale Cities
ti Tamale City for Atona Mobiana.
Amonton name Mobia.
That's what Tamale City.
Also, Oko Tamale City, registration system Nima. No Jire Kwadjon in Sibia. Play be against the
I don't know, sir. A chamepe video be the amount. A brand interview or granted.
Player no.
Last week, yeah. Or Tamale City. I Tamale City no be answer him say a friend Isaac Mensah. It was of the Western region war. And I'll buy our BPM dwarfs and the am tana or Tamale City. Okos is here Tamale City, Isaac Mensah, dinner war. And interview na me share no. The same player. See a friend is saying, Oboni didn't see a friend no. One kwaju
Nisi. Isaac Mensah.
The player na yenim say or the Isaac Mensah no. Ye granting interview.
Also the Jire Kwadjon Nisi.
Sa pepe no say odi. What was the last time that particular player crab ball the Tamale City?
Jire Kwadjon Nisi no. Oh, since you are more ball.
A dinin more boy. But Isaac Mensah na yenim de bobo has to folk ni ade nyina. Solo efe no ruling no or the kind ma me bi na me kira ade wo.
Wow.
O de push ma me pe except bi wo na ma kira o de push ma me.
Na me push ma wo. Wapa.
Esan say solo yenim say Isaac Mensah wa Tamale City. And yenim Isaac Mensah bi wa Tamale City.
Yeah.
Na same person or the Isaac Mensah on one as say o say friend no Nisi. Meanwhile obobo so just your say no Isaac Mensah na bu achiri.
Na waso ama.
Yenim say fi ofi dwarfs ne ade be piem o Tamale City or the Isaac Mensah. But in the player no say
your friend no Jire Kwadjon Nisi.
On the Isaac Mensah.
Na ye register na ye dey Isaac Mensah to no so no oni mana.
Bisa. Solo your football na ukroma no ehu.
And you can face our case.
Can face our case you can face our. Enti o de ye pa as an FA no this man committee no ye pa. Say Rainbow for na ton
Super Rainbow na ton na Tamale Cities.
Asu as Isaac Mensah na Nisi.
As Nisi.
I'm Tamale City. I tell you, provide Nisi number. Na
Tamale City so Isaac Mensah
na. Ni was Isaac Mensah ni Nisi ni. Some points here.
And what here we no almost say Tamale City is for register player no. I'm register no 28 May 2015 as Isaac Mensah. And the registration number no here GHA 048853M. And 2nd February 2021 so Super Rainbow for no register player no as Jire Kwadjon Nisi. And also registration number no ID number no GHA 125561M. And no. And they, according to this for no, almost say Tamale Cities and register Nisi Bia, I'm register Isaac Mensah.
But it's the same player.
But I didn't say
but I'm saying the same. And then my issue near issue no. It's the same player and he didn't me no with the same registration ayina. Then the problem or
in the case we didn't.
So what I say?
Almost say nyeti omagina so say confess any case no. Tamale Cities unregistered player ni din Nisi Bia.
I'm registered Isaac
Mensah.
But almost turn a Rainbow no. So
it almost this man continue some FIFA connect system registration no almost say
because or the Nisi or the Kwadjon Nisi no efi Rainbow
Super Rainbow
and about Tamale City. I then obedu Tamale City there. Ni din asesa na
Isaac Mensah
with the same your friend is saying. Solo share ruling no. I say no the player Jire Kwadjon Nisi member ID number GHA 1255661M with date of birth 21st of a year June 2020 and then I'm register 2023 and solo na say you were a
2003
2003 yes 2003 was first registered by Super Rainbow FC from 2nd of February to 2021 to 9th of November 2021. Omdi Jire Kwadjon Nisi in register no. B. The player Jire Kwadjon Nisi was transferred to Tamale City. That's what few Rainbow about Tamale City as Kwajo Nisi on 9th August 2021. Whose attempt to register the player was rejected. It's Tamale City for try to register player and say Kwajo Nisi. And I'm rejecting. See, the Tamale City that Tamale City FC then registered the player on 9th November 2021 with the same details from Super Rainbow FC. The same details. This remained on their dashboard until the end of the season on 30th or 31st of July 2022. Until sad the information in Yana or Rainbow for no and Tamale City for no till last year.
The last year, I'm saying,
so it was the same player, but because someone registered and you need to know almost the same. Shedino, I said the Tamale City FC did not register the player Jerikwajo Nisi member ID number so and so on the same 2022-2023. Yes, but a player now, Okra Kwajo Nisi no. On one of my best son, Dean Ayano Isaac Mensah. And it's the same player.
But I said this is someone registered Ninsi, no?
Solo.
And then it's the same as this in account.
Solo.
Because I was all register first, no?
You're
rejecting.
Oh, the power Solo Paradise. One movie, Akko, a certain club. Okay, and they see the power Solo Paradise air register and ye details in the entire system, no? But ye per se register ne per se obobo ma yinti no. Ya sister Odin pa Solo Paradise ya ma Odin. But meanwhile, wow, Solo now the same person. What you say?
He didn't nkasa no dey ato nchen.
Yeah, they did not to nchen because they didn't into me entire system into your sister Dino. And ya ma Odin fufu. But meanwhile, the same person. Who Solo kura na but ya sister Odin e bia ya ma Oyima. That's the problem. FNS or Moti say player no a double registration but different names.
Ento mu yuso omomra no fen adwuma.
Ah, why na Ghana need me no. Okra different names. Wow, passport. Wow. Say, niama de na ye criminal. See, and it's a Ghana ha. Who Vanessa voter ID. Okra doing Solo Paradise na also. O Ghana card na ebia okra Emmanuel wine.
Almost 30 article.
Meanwhile, on phone na the same person na.
Almost 30 article kan 8 no. Almost 30 article be wo.
I say per the records and pictures player Isaac Mensah so and so and also there
no
article 8 no
number 8 no
number 8 no I say that whereas Pfizer FC in their statement of case relied on article 28 clause 2A which states that an unqualified player shall not take part in any match for which he is unqualified to play. In the said match, the player who played Isaac Mensah was qualified to play. We are not Solo. If you know, your man who say, the same player, Isaac Mensah no, on one Kwajo Nisi no. Now, what they are saying, they want to tell us they've even admitted and as accepted, say, Onipa Bakono, on one Isaac Mensah, on one Kwajo Nisi.
By a registered in the anyway.
Yan Kwajo Nisi, Sasani and Isaac Mensah. Fina accepted. Say, a Nipa Bakono credit me.
Meba 0551667755 0551667755. We're going to make the wagon today. Eddie Abba, the Befa now also watch the wagon. Young caught 9 so almost as the article be well. 9.
Article 9.
Number
9. No. Yeah. I see that whereas Pfizer FC in their statement of case relied on Article 33 Clause 1A E of the GFA Premier League regulations, which states that a team commits an offense punishable by virtue of a match which is filled or which it fields an unqualified player or players or team or team officials in a said match, an unqualified player was not fielded. They want to claim say Pfizer for say Isaac Mensah on one easy. But if you say matches are Pfizer abo any idea yan omo hu Kwajonisi be out. That's what they are trying to say.
Isaac Mensah. Register Kwajonisi.
But Kim Fraser is also trying to tell the F and he said, Onipa na so Isaac Mensah no. Ono ane Kwajonisi no.
What club be out? What you register
Kwajonisi. Which are Etiamra, ya kaita ma youth ne dream self issue. Ye ni kroma.
Okay. Say that ben pana yen football ye be boa. Ye be we season na. Ye nkase ye nya injunction ye nya bibi.
Me the injunction thing or can find a place in injunction. It's in their own right. Omo kwan so mo place injunction. It's not say okay.
Hello, Dean baby akasa free.
Dean Captain retired.
Aja captain yenti wa no pay. Eya no aboni nti mama ye.
One ndi aya Ghana Premier League na enko na anim. Warren hwehwe asem nim na wabu asem na ebu nipa ne so. We nyina ka ho na Emma League no enko na anim. Ese wotra asem ne so na wo hwe mu yi na ma se.
So yeah that's a pa. Yeah, Brenna Sunti, yeah, in fact, call it BIB. Watch now, you been
articles in GFA Premier League regulations in the heading in Abba, near points by points in the Ashe. If you know, Zania, yeah, call on a car, you know, they need to sit and investigate the war. Dream self senator, my youth, ABC, you know who, how I call it, edify, and one player, I don't want to send Dean. One player, the same player was Sunny Dean, Uncle so affidavits and farmer, courts and cars and Master Dean, and I say, but up so about Tamalis is now registered into a friend Isaac Mensah. So they should sit and China Babania, Abishum, Amukwe, and someone in birthday.
Oh, okay.
And you know, John Mark Fadden, or say, always say, someone in Kumebue, of Arto Folk. I always send happy birthday, say John Mark, then I'm down for panning.
Then I'm down for panning.
And you know, someone in Kum, John Mark,
board member.
Yes. John Mark say, always say, someone in Kum. A boy, a happy birthday, Sammy. Happy birthday and confirm. Yamisha, no, you can see a pa.
Okay, what you can me did the paradise. Yami had watch now. You better not say now. Yatwa so Ziggy don't come out. Abusiani and confirm. I'm crabby Santa drop a on a moment. Ya cock say what demo. Our angel na yako twasom. And so I threw the casebono at house. Yami ya can see until the moment when you feel domo on found quite domo. Good afternoon.
Cheshenwa and na juna great decision edwi
wọ́n say omubo aye adwuma na da mo beto aba na wie ni sada na na asi